Hello students, in this video we are going to solve question number 3 from exercise 13.1. Question is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of the painting of the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. This is a very important sum, okay. Though the sum is small, but we need to apply a lot of logical things over here. First of all, as you can see over here, rectangular hall. Okay, so rectangular hall is nothing but your cuboid. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. So we are going to apply the formula for cuboid. Okay, now one more thing is given, that is four walls. Four walls here means lateral surface area. Okay, so these two things are very important over here. So let us solve this question. Pay attention. I'm going to write the same thing. Area of four walls is nothing but your lateral surface area. Okay, also a rectangular hall is nothing but a cuboid. Okay, now we don't know the length and the breadth. Okay, so we are going to assume it. So let length be L meters and breadth be B meters. Okay, now if you see the question, it is written the floor. Okay, so if I draw a floor, just see what all things are included. This is the floor. Okay, so it has got length, breadth, length, and then again breadth. Okay, so I can write something like this. As we know, perimeter is also given. Perimeter is nothing but the boundaries. Okay, so perimeter of the floor is L plus L plus B plus B. Okay, this can be written as 2L plus 2B. So this is nothing but 2 common L plus B. I hope you are getting this. Okay, now this is given. This is given as 250 meters. So I can write down 250 meters. It is given over here. Okay. Also, area of four walls. Now pay attention. Area of four walls is nothing but your lateral surface area. Okay, we know the formula for lateral surface, and that is 2H L plus B. बट वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे सभी जगह मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. ठीक है, तो मैं इसको कुछ अलग तरीके से लिखूंगा. आई एम राइटिंग दिस एज 2L plus B multiplied by H. Why I am writing like this? Because 2L plus B, I know the value and it is nothing but 250. 2L plus B is 250. ठीक है, तो मैं इसके बदले क्या लिख सकता हूँ? 250 लिख सकता हूँ. 250 into H. Okay, but if you read the question, painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10. So I need to multiply this with rupees 10. So this will be 2500 into H. Okay, this I'm going to write here. Pay attention. Okay, so lateral surface area is 2L plus B into H. The reason for writing like this, I just explained. This is nothing but 250 into H. I hope this much is clear. Now the next statement will be, now cost of painting the four wall. पेंटिंग द 4 वॉल्स, क्या है कॉस्ट पर मीटर स्क्वायर के हिसाब से देखें तो 10 है, ठीक है। पेंटिंग द 4 वॉल्स, अभी हमने निकाला 4 वॉल्स का क्या है, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स क्या है 250 इंटू एच है, ठीक है। तो क्या हो जाएगा 2500 इंटू एच हो जाएगा। इतना क्लियर है। बट अभी एक चीज़ और ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे टोटल कॉस्ट हमें दिया हुआ है। टोटल कॉस्ट क्या दिया हुआ है कि वॉल्स को पेंट करने का जो पूरा खर्चा है ना दैट इज़ 15,000। ओके, तो मैं इसके बदले क्या लिख सकता हूँ, इसके बदले मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ 15,000 कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग द 4 वॉल्स कितना है 15,000 है, ठीक है। एंड पर मीटर स्क्वायर कितना था 10 था, जो हमने इस पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ठीक है। तो अभी हमारे पास पूरा इक्वेशन अच्छे से बन चुका है और हमें ढूंढना क्या था, इफ़ यू रीड द क्वेश्चन फाइंड द हाइट, ठीक है। हमें हाइट ढूंढना था तो हम इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं अब। सो देयरफॉर एच विल बी 15,000 अपॉन 2500। okay, so if you do the calculation this will come out to be 6. okay, therefore height of the hall is 6 meters. Clear? This will be your answer. Okay, this is a very important question, so make sure that you practice this at least 3 to 4 times, okay, so that you remember the steps properly. I hope you have understood this one. Thank you.